Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Analogy's YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about a project that I did for a client where I had to create sales order and invoices in ZOHO inventory. The following are the client's requirements. First, to create customer and sales orders. Second, manage items and item groups and generate sales orders when required. Third, able to select multiple sales order templates while sending for approval. Fourth, generate invoices of a sales order when approved by a customer. Before we get started, the following are the terms you need to be familiar with in this video to better understand the client's requirements and how we achieve that. A sales order is a financial document confirming an impending sales before finalizing the sales. We send the financial document to the customer using the sales order features. It details the exact quantity, price, and delivery details of the product or services sold. Sales orders provide the exact details of the product we are configuring and selling to the customers. Here is the life cycle of the sales order, how a sales order works. Sales order has a well-defined workflow by ZOHO inventory. Every sales order goes through the following stages. Firstly, we will get a draft with all the confirmation of the products that we are selling to the customer or that have been sold. We will pack the order and ship it. If the product is not up to the mark, that is a back order. We will again fill it and ship it until it is fulfilled. Suppose there is a drop shipment if we sell the product from other warehouses, then we use a drop shipment policy. If the package is fulfilled and shipped correctly, we create an invoice and close the sales order. So here is a process of how we can create a sales order and invoices. With the following steps, we can easily create a sales order and customize that and add the product set we want. Firstly, ensure we have items or item groups set up in inventory. Secondly, we should create customers with information for whom we will create a sales order and generate invoices. So before adding any sales order, we should have all the inventory and product information. Also, we should have the customer details and customer created inventory for whom we are making the sales order. Thirdly, go to sales order under sales section and click new. Then fill in all the information and add items we are selling. So after all the information on the sales order, we need to click save. After saving the sales order, we will have the feature to convert to an invoice. Fourth, click on Convert to Invoice. When the customer approves, a new invoice will get created with an invoice hashtag. Lastly, an invoice will be generated under the invoice section and you can send it to the customer for payment. We can choose various formats or PDF along with logos and customized templates. So we can easily send the invoices to customers for payment. When the payment is made, we can close this invoice and have all the information within the inventory. The inventory provides the complete information from customers to final payment. All this information gets stored in a single platform, ZOHO Inventory. We can see all the information under the sales order related to any customer. Now let's jump into the demo video to show you how we create the sales order and generate the invoices using sales orders for particular customers. Here you can see we are in ZOHO Inventory and this is the dashboard. Under sales we have customers, orders, sales packages, invoices, etc. Here we can create the customers. Well, I have already made the customers so that we have some customers already. Now let's go to the sales order. We can also get a new sales order from here, but I have already created a sales order. Here you can see we have serial number 1, sales order 1, which is like this. I have added the products over here. We have the quotation that has been sent to the customer. The status of this sales order is closed because the payment is already made. As you can see, we have an invoice attached to it. We can see the invoice from here as well. As you can see, it is in the draft. The invoice is already generated for it. We can send this invoice via email or mark it as sent. We can also record the payment for this. If the price is done, we will click on record payment and the payment is made. Let me show you. We send the thank you email to the customer when they paid the particular invoice. So this is how we create sales orders and invoices. Let me create a sample sales order for you. It is auto generated. We can get this manually as well. Let's add some products over here. Items have already been created. I have also added the quantity and saved it as a draft. We can also set the discounts. A sales order is created and it is in the draft stage. We can mark it as confirmed when the particular customer places the sales order. The sales order is converted. Let's now convert to invoice. Once we create this, we will add a shipping address as well. Then save this invoice as draft. After confirming, set the invoice and record the payment. So that's how you create sales order and invoices in ZOHO Inventory. Are you looking to hire the best Salesforce ZOHO integration company that can help you import Salesforce data to ZOHO CRM or vice versa? Get in touch with Cloud Analogy CRM integration experts who strive to provide scalable CRM solutions that ensures business growth and more significant ROI.